Nande nejinga gichinde chingi ya karocharagire Chinsa Ikomi chabarmarwaba garango kwaria ni asemesa ya mangana maya eruma na nete wateka ime na isiko ya Gusii itanga ningu wakere namba ya karocharete Ndizi Steven Robons Gusii anne kumanya na lea nete wateka ime na isiko ya Gusii abune chingongo nye chense ili anyimo ya sugusu amo nabosongo Ase County ya Nairobi amangana Africa Climate Summit ni gagendrede asense meriko sasa magacha KCC ase abarai au abanyara bawikerana kurwa chinsemo au anana barai bense chi au koru ase barwa baika ase County ya Nairobi anena sogo kwanira igoro yogo chenji kwerire na manga ndokaragana imena isku ya Gusii ekarabono ndoje monogeri bwebunge yes Senate Amason King amo nori bwebunge enene banyarire bakora libuna mambi na barachigutware gikaro okyo kwanda iguru yogo chenji kwerire boika bana bandate goso saborokiwa bandate goso Asti University ao irigo chako mwako bomotangani wa masomo sense yeito ya Kenya yungati yale ndatokorekana imenesku ya Gusii ngo kubolyo benenje guikomwelyo asingo kolera letera sinjira yoko ya chuta ekero chikora gense yemo yabona marono chikora nyora sinjira yubikira kolenje na odeni onda ko yaretere asense meri yekingese ne otokubadera na bugari nyanja mane kubona muri yogire chibichago cheira sinjira yabene bana botamberiane Brighton Makori Skuru awa University awa chiamatenje chitabua tebi toki erikoirira abana babo eskuru University korende omubunge bwe West Mogrango Stephen Mogaka nigobono anyarega kurwa bokonyi go chiase chiamate awa asebunge yaye bunenjere yamo yogosira bali bago chikosoa as University awa chiamate chirichanyoro bokonyi ngamo kurwa sensemo ya Gianchore gosekenyerukia Gianchore wodi ya Bugichora asebunge ya West Mogrango asebono omwana oyomo matakirbo nyarechi ago chikonsoa ase endoto yaye ikerere akara chikosoa ase University ya Amaseno boigo mumuroyomo nere nigo oli chikosoa ase University ya Incheton na bwate omogokoe ekeromo bunge anyarire gakwerwa na kobasira ne bachikosoa ase University ao muri kityo mangi na arasense meyo kolende baratumire ekengese kyoroboti orunga kyarendete kuruarigania
Nje kutoka 2021 nilifanya mtihani wangu. I was supposed to join last year, lakini kwa sababu ya umaskini na kalo ikakosa sikujoin. Nilileta kilio changu kwa Mheshimiwa Steven Mogaka na ameamua atanisaidia niingie shule mwaka huu.
Niliitwa chuo kikuu cha Egerton, ninaenda kusomea Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. Naomba Mheshimiwa Steven Mogaka aendelee kusaidia wengine wenye wako na shida kaa yetu.
Nasari tukulia ya vile nege koni kenene. Ngo kero Mheshimiwa nambia mana nandimia mana. Asege kona nkole iro mwana wanabona ko ende school.
Kurumuna bachete ya office yetu na ende muna bacha igo office asali tukulia ro mambi omo Mheshimiwa ito Steve Mogaka o interfinirie o bakanire chibesa bago chakero bugima ase University na ende pasali ekerera era iche mbabe sponsored na furus
Egardo korukuru ase bunge ya West Mogrango ne odokwera na ase County ya Kisii twende goikase kinyoro kya mugoi eyego kigotoka ase wodi ya Liana ebunge ya Bonchari aso mwana chofure isaboke nere anyarega kubori abasamaria bayagwe soke na komokonya endanyarega konyora chibese chiramokonye goso ase University ya Nairobi kaukwana anene karate biruna nigo anyarega konyora brain yabwat chi point emero brain ase kurwase skuru ya St Joseph Rabogi nigo bono wikaponi gataranyore bitoki bikomoira ase skuru gosase University ya Nairobi muri godomero mamanyi nero ara sorbot ansemia ndetutware robot yorukolende ekena kiatum atutumire oika boniga
muna korta matema form 4 akanyore brain wana kiranyore brain wapuraire course ya medicine and surgery aguchigosomera urangeri Nairobi University bono timbwati kende timbwati anda senda arusi ebesa nchigojoineria omwana oyo iga bono gaki nari gosaba eserikali yaitu ya Kenya yari gwanja enkonye musamali onde nonye onde bwensi orando ntegererete urasukiwu gaki nering'a neriga abe kagonkonya omwesimi waitu onchoke omwando simba arati gafana yaito machogu gaki nachira simore nkorera motigo mwana gaki abere isiko tigagenda agendereri n'amasomaye akore mune birengereri byaye bire.
I did KCC at St. Joseph School Rapogi, and I managed to get an A-plane of 83. Up to now, sijende yo result slip ama living certificate yenye ni requirement before niende UON School of Medicine. So bado kuna fiko pending around 60,000 tunafaa kulipa. Alafu pia kuna pesa ingine pia ilikuwa 10k ya motivation pia bado tujalipa. We don't have help, but tumejaribu, nili apply scholarship ya government na help, but bado answers hazijatoka kwa kila mtu. So hata hivyo, hata ikikuja ile yenye watasaidia kwa sure kuna yenye tabaki tutakuwa tunalipa. So I don't think we can still manage it because itakuwa bado burden nyingine. So I was saying if there is someone outside them anaweza saidia.
Nekaro tutigarete asingwani yo yegisemi nigobono aborokia bari bara siki county richakire no muchando bobo sagani hane county ya Laikipia Mandere Marsabetamo nechinde banyari bakobori abamu abo koira nororo ende banyari bagokonya bana kokini birengo bigisemi asensemi bagokwane wateruna parabuge sabairana nigo barodirina omorembo obeire asenseme yukolende asababori abamu abona bono na bakoirana ende bagenderere no bokora bwabo asensemeyo yakire no ekendete gwakwa no muchando bubusagani.
Teachers are very comfortable. We enjoy the environment. We have been given food, and we have been given where to sleep. Some of us, not all of them, because the compound is small. 6 teachers have been given houses to sleep in. We have given free food, free electricity, free water. We share it is like we spend nothing. I stayed in down Kenya for 6 years without employment. When I came to Mandera County, I stayed for 2 months and I was able to be given this opportunity of a permanent and pensionable teacher. I'm very glad for Mandera County. They have taken us far compared to our counties, whereby we are struggling to get the employment. So my teachers who are in the TSC saying that Mandera is Shakahola, we are really embarrassed with those statements. We are saying that Mandera is at peace now, especially in towns. For example, maybe those who are at the outskirts, and we have talked to the director. They have been removed from.
Nande ekeroto tigarete asensemo yegisemi abamenyi kuru asensemo ya kankema eyegotoka as county ya Murang'a nigobono bakare kuboria serikali wetere wisara yegisemi kwene kibuna ngokini bare birengo byegisemi gosingosira bare yegisemi asenseme yanene nigobono baboririe gokiniwa kwa Michuki Technical Training goba ebirengo bya National Technical Institute as a county eyo.
Request to the President, the Deputy President, the Minister for Education, and all the leaders. The people of Kangema are extremely concerned on the oversight that went about Michuki Technical, and they are questioning what criteria was taken that Michuki was left out. If we have Nairobi Technical, if we have Mombasa Technical, which is a few acres, because the issue of RAD should not be the basis. The infrastructures that are required to make an institution to a national level, Michuki has attained everything.
Michuki Technical Tunajua ni shule iko na wanafunzi wengi wanatoka Bali wanakuja kusomea hapa, wengine ni wa huku, na hii shule imekuwa ikisaidia wakazi wa huku hasa kwa masomo, kwa biashara na katika kuwapatia wananchi kazi. So ile kitu tukitaka kuomba serikali kuu ikiongozwa na CS Machogu, Deputy President na President Dr. William Ruto wakubali kusaidia hii shule yetu ya Michuki kutoka ile kiwango iko mpaka ifike ile kiwango ya national.
Hii ni dhahabu ya Murang'a County. Hii shule iko na wanafunzi 5,000. Hii shule ilianza kakiwa kadogo, tumeuplift pole tukiwa community na mpaka wale watu management inakujanga hapa, wanakuja wanashikana na sisi, wametushikilia. Infrastructure iko sawa, tuko na watoto tosha. Sasa tunauliza serikali namna hii. Tulikuwa tuna high hopes ati Murang'a County, the beneficiary number 1 will be Michuki Technical.
Kiombe kia Public Service Commissioner ni gabono kia nyarege koboli chi county ao okwene kibinangu bwati baririchi ko keroba koli kaba koli mirimo asichi county ejo anaba okwana asumusankana si county ya Wajia ni gabaderuna nerebuya lichiko kubwatigwa elio na lio gotutukanu gosobo tutukanu utari jubora bwenekiwa asichi county ao anne asaba koli emirimo.
And that report we have also indicated where now people are stationed. We have got very many people at the lower pyramid and also at the upper. We have got very few people in the middle there. We have noted also that some of you are still not in the main automated payroll. Some of you are still being paid manually. We have highlighted those challenges and basically given recommendation that all of us require to be in a payroll. Kila mtu apate pay slip at the end of the month. We require to have what we call human resource instruments. These are instruments that describe the way we are supposed to be appointed, the way we are supposed to be promoted, and how many people are required to offer a particular service. You can even ask, why is so and so being treated differently while that document is saying this and this. And therefore, those documents, we have basically highlighted the hotels there and the way they can be improved. And therefore, we have highlighted that it is not good to serve beyond 60.
Umurai wense ya Tanzania Suru Hassan ni gabona nyarega kotebya abarai bali barase county ya Nairobi anene asumsangano climate change ina banyare bakurigireri aliya ukwaneru lero erinde akorekane lero ekiagera angyo temanyeti onde korengana ni gateruna aliyonse atakire kube kweri kurigireri o change kwerire na atakire gokorerwe mirimo tali gosukigochi ankende
itself. Excellencies, the stakes are high and actions have to take place not tomorrow but today and literally now. As Africans, we have no choice but to seize the moment to capitalize on its potential to offer solutions to green growth and decarbonization, and while creating resilience to its our communities and economies. We can no longer afford to address economic development, climate change, and African poverty burden in isolation. The interplay between development and climate change is undeniable, and this interlink demand integrated and coherent solution that will provide opportunity for socio-economic development of Africa. Excellencies, while the continent is highly impacted by the changing climate, it is nevertheless holding the key to solving the climate challenge.
Omurai bwense ya Rwanda Paul Kagame na nyaraka wikirana sigi karekyo sasa musangno yo bwamangana yo chinji kwelire oyogendete samaga cha KICC Nairobi asinerate abuna nirebu ya kibesa kobe kwanene asimirubirira chikoregererwa asogo chinji kwelire.
For international
climate financing and investment. That's why the COP27, at that summit, Rwanda launched Ireme Invest, a green investment facility created by the Rwanda Green Fund in partnership with the Development Bank of Rwanda. So far, more than 200 million has been mobilized, US dollars that is, from domestic and international partners, including the European Investment Bank and the Green Climate Fund. We have also been working closely with the International Monetary Fund as a participant in the Resilient and Sustainability Trust. We have access to long-term financing to further integrate climate into our economic policies. This is a good sign.
Ayuano nararenga ye Chinsa Ikomi kolende konyora yu usuru konyora yu mana mange kikuragense yemo yabona marogo bekera bali kibaito bari Chinsemo ao bagendete gutwarikaniri bachukusasa baronaro na Efrino Sero kikuraga ensemo yabona marongo kotetos kakurwa Ndizi TV nero bwansumo Gusii ekiagera emeroberiero nigere miansu nande nigere yabosemia nande nigere asengencho yawe enero Ndizi TV bwansumo Gusii na utwabatana na bigeri nyanjamo yone kuna maliogine chibichago cheira senjera ya bene inje nyasaye karanganje na yawanje na ne otromenene ankyo asomoroberio bwensakia kujakira Chinsa 12 chamambia weka Chinsa 3 karutura chukwanira igoro yechisemi ostoju kwanda mangana climate change karutura nyorane no mogenito ankyo igotoma chakuriye moroberi bwensakia mambia tumira no ekero bwakire twaroboriru bya bwandi ime ya Ndizi TV nero bwansumo Gusii bana botambe Eliane Brighton Makori.